Here's my sizzling chicken breast with the Mexican spice blend. Don't you just want to dig in? Let me show you how we got here. The thing we're going to do is make a spice blend. Okay, we've got smoked paprika and chili powder, onion and garlic powder, oregano, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and I hope I said everything, but let's start by making my everyday roast chicken breast, which is an absolute must-do. Let's get the olive oil all over this, and let's just rub it everywhere, and then I'm going to add my salt and pepper. I'm going to put the salt on here, and you might say, Terry, why didn't you do the salt in the spice blend? That's because it's essential here that it gets salted perfectly on both sides. I've measured this because, of course, you're not going to use all of the spice blend. You're going to use it another day, too. So let's put it on and then flip it, and there's still some nice olive oil on the tray. And then let's be sure to get it all on the back and just press it all in. Here's the thing. Let's get the spice blend and the salt everywhere. Cooking it on the bone, it is so much better with the skin and the bone. So if you haven't done it this way, this is an absolute must-try. We're going to go into a 375-degree oven for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to baste it. If by chance your oven runs slow, you're going to really want to put it to 400 for this recipe. Finished product. They've just come out of the oven. What I love about this is it's about 35 minutes start to finish. Great for a weeknight dinner. Spectacular for lunch to go the next day, but we're going to take it a step further and make a really great salad.